Hi everyone, this is Fahad from PreMed.PK. So today we are going to talk about a feature which was highly requested by our users and we have finally decided to launch it. So I'm going to walk you around the feature and how does it look like and what is it about. So simply log on to PreMed.PK. I have my account logged in here and I have a question open here. This is from 2019 paper of Sindh. The subject is biology and I simply click on any option. So suppose I say I do not understand this text explanation that has been provided. I simply click on this request video solution button. Here I'm going to type in my confusion. So I'll say, for example, that I do not understand the explanation provided. Please send me a video solution. And I'm going to press on submit using 50 coins button. And as soon as I press this button, I'm going to receive a prompt that says question requested successfully. Once the expert solves the question and they send me the video solution, I'm going to be notified about it. You're going to be notified via email, or you're going to simply click on this button where you can see the notifications. And here you go, your doubt has been solved. You click on this button and here you're going to see that all my questions that have been submitted, I can see them here. These questions are not yet solved, but the questions which appear here beneath my solved questions, these have been solved by our experts. So I simply press on watch button and here you go. Here is my video explanation for the question which I requested. I simply click on the full screen button. Here you go.
The question says, among following, dash enzyme is naturally found in human immunodeficiency virus.
So the question arises कि क्या ऐसा possible है कि हम लोग pre-med के question bank के outside कोई questions पूछ सकते हैं? So yes, that's possible. For example, you have a question that is you cannot understand the question and that is from your XYZ textbook. So you can simply go to this expert solutions button on the top nav bar and you can click on ask an expert button. Here you're going to upload the question image. So I've uploaded this question. I'm going to type in what exactly is the problem I'm facing. So I do not understand what's the examiner asking. And I'm going to select a resource. So it can be anything. It can be MCQs past papers. So it's from MCQs past papers, the question which I've submitted, and it's from physics. And I'm going to select a topic. The topic was probably electrostatics. Okay, so here you go. And I'm going to submit it using 50 coins. As soon as I press on this button, again, I'm going to receive that my question has been requested successfully. And once that question has been solved by our expert, I'm going to be notified via email and the notification bar right here on the top. One question that arises is that are these video solutions for free? So currently these questions are not available for free and you can request these questions with coins that can be purchased from our pricing page. You can go to coins and you can select your desired bundle for the coins and you can buy them in the same way you buy our other pre-med packages. So here you're going to see the wallet where your coins are shown. And that's about it. So each question costs you around 50 coins. So I hope this feature is helpful for all of you people and happy learning.